In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image bigger in Card. If you're building a one-page site and your image feels too small, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to adjust so it scales cleanly and looks great on desktop and mobile. First, head to the Card website in your browser. From the home page, open your dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on your list of sites. If not, simply sign in and you'll be taken there automatically. From the dashboard, select the project you want to edit. This will launch the Card editor, where you can make changes in real time and see them reflected on the canvas. Inside the editor, click directly on the image you want to resize. That selects the image element and opens its settings panel. If you have multiple images, you can also click them on the canvas to switch between elements until you've got the right one highlighted. Next, open the Appearance tab for that image. This is where Card groups visual controls like size, spacing, and other style options. You'll see sliders for width and height. These are the key controls for making your image larger. Start by adjusting the width slider. Drag it slowly to the right and watch the image update on the canvas as you go. Move in small increments and pause to check how the change affects your layout, especially if the image sits in a column or next to text. Going too wide can push other elements down or wrap your content in ways you don't expect, so it's best to increase width gradually. Then adjust the height slider if you need more vertical presence. This can be helpful for tall images or when you want the image to feel more prominent on the page. Keep in mind that changing width and height independently can alter the image's proportions. If the image starts to look stretched or squished, reduce changes to one dimension or bring the other dimension closer to the original ratio. For the cleanest results, use high-resolution images so enlargements stay sharp on larger screens. As you tweak, glance at the canvas to make sure spacing still feels balanced and that important content remains visible above the fold. Small refinements now can save you time later. When you're happy with the size, click Done. That applies your changes and gets you back to editing the rest of your page. And that's it, your image is now bigger in Card, with clean, controlled adjustments that keep your layout looking polished.